Now students, let us take the first thing that we have seen the different types of conductors there. So why not let us start it with the straight current. Okay, if the straight conductor is there, so it will produce the straight current because the current is going to be flow into the conductor only. Okay, so now the magnetic field that is produced by the straight current, any straight conductor is producing a current like this. It could be going from the bottom to top or from the top to bottom. Okay, these two conditions are the only conditions we are having. Okay, so what is happening here for this? As you can see in the diagram, here we are having a circuit. Fine. So in this circuit, we have connected a battery at this location and it is connected with a wire. And here is a cardboard. From this, this is a wire, so we have just inserted a cardboard from the center of the cardboard. We have put the wire and crossing it like this. Okay, so it is like this. इसके बीच में से निकल रही है ये. Fine. So this is key here, and this is again going to be connected to the negative terminal. Now what is happening when we are putting it on? Okay, so current will start flow. And accordingly, here we have seen that a magnetic field is generated. Now, this could be a question in your mind that, ma'am, how we will see the magnetic field lines, because these are the imaginary lines. Okay, let me tell you, if we sprinkle here the iron fillings. Iron fillings का example मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ. Okay, if we have sprinkle here the iron fillings, and here we have just randomly put the iron fillings like this. But when we kept it on, when we kept the current on, so they are going to arrange itself in a concentric circles like this. What are concentric circles? Concentric circles are those circles like this. This is one circle, this is second circle, this is third circle. So all these are concentric circles because they all of them are having the same center point. That is why they are known as the concentric circles. Okay, so all the iron fillings that we have put there have made the concentric circles like this. So we can say that yes, here also magnetic field lines are generated, and they are generated in a concentric circle manner when the conductor is a straight conductor. So this is experiment, and we can do that at home also. Okay, this is very easy experiment, and you will see that iron fillings will automatically get in the concentric circle manner. So now this give us the conclusions like the magnetic field lines around the current carrying straight conductor are concentric circle whose center lie on the wire, and because this wire is crossing from this point, so this is the center for all of these concentric circles. So these concentric circles are what? These are the magnetic field lines. This is known as magnetic field lines. So these are the magnetic fields generated due to the straight conductor. Okay, as you can see, this is the practically done experiment, and this is the real picture of the iron fillings that has been made itself into the concentric circles, and this is the wire which is going through the center of the cardboard. Okay, so this picture is showing you the results. Now see, the next conclusion is this: the magnitude of the magnetic field B produced by the straight conductor carrying wire is given the point. Now what is this? What does it meaning? It just means that when the like here we are having a concentric circle, lots of concentric circles like this. I am again making it for you. Let me tell you, this is the center point of it. Okay, so all these concentric circles, when we are going far from it, okay, like this, and one point, let's suppose it is here. So point 1 P1 and point 2 P2, which is going to have the more magnetic strength. So accordingly, at the point, wherever you are at the point right now, so it will show the magnetic strength for that particular point. So P1 will show the magnetic strength of this particular point, and P2 will show the magnetic strength of this particular P2 point. Why? Because of the distance. Okay, now one more thing I can tell you is that whenever we are going far from the concentric circle, यहाँ से दूर आते जाओगे तो magnetic strength कम होती जाती है. It is going to be reduced. And when you are going to be close to the magnetic field, like जब जैसे आप वायर के पास जाते जाओगे, it will going to increase. Okay, because of that only the concentric circles are more concentrated near to the wire. जब आप ये एक्सपेरिमेंट घर पे करके देखोगे, then you will observe that here near to the wire we are observing that more concentric circles have been made, but when we are going far from it, it will going to be a big concentric circles which are not even that much concentrated. There must be having gap between two circles, but here the gap is get reduced. So this will show that here the magnetic strength is more, and here when we are going far from it, the magnetic strength is less. So students, here we have seen all the pros and cons and the strength of the magnetic field according to the conductor. So this will show us that the current is actually giving us the value of magnetic field. So we can say that B is directly proportional to I. So here is the next conclusion we can draw from it.